Hey YouTube, I had to take my woodworking project apart because it was taking up too much space in my driveway. But I noticed a problem. Since I'm a pretty amateur craftsman, I ended up not threading the holes perfectly. So check this out. When I took it apart, I got two of the bolts here. One of them is fine; it's perfectly threaded through. But the other one, I don't know if it'll focus. Probably not. I'll have to. But it doesn't look too bad to me for some reason. But I guess it wasn't perfect, and when I was hammering it out, I flattened the screw. But anyway, today's raining, and I don't have a tap and die set, so I wanted to try and grind this off with the angle grinder and see if I can't fix it that way. If not, I'm going to get a tap and die set. I just learned what those are. They're for rethreading screws or doing the opposite, like making that into a nail pretty much. So I'm going to have to get one of them. But it was raining and I figured this is going to spark a lot, so I figured I might as well go ahead and try and take advantage of the rain. So let's see what we got. I got this handy little Irwin, I don't know what you'd call it, clamp though. I decided to put the screw in there at the angle so I can see what I'm doing when I'm trying to grind it. Go, baby girl. Go, come on. See if we got it. Doesn't look like it. I might have to do a tad bit more, but let's see. Hold on. Come on. Yeah, not quite. Sorry, I didn't unzoom it. A little bit more, I should do it. And you know, I just realized I probably shouldn't clamp that in there without some sort of braces on the threads of that bolt there, because now I'm just probably crushing them with the clamp as it is. That's alright, these bolts are probably shot. If I can't fix them, they're like 70 cents. Now what was I doing? Oh. Alright. Look at that, it worked. Check it out. It was a little tight at first, but good as new, man. I swear. Just gotta make sure you get it real flat and smooth there. And it was a little tough, so like I was saying, don't clamp it in without putting some sort of brace on your bolt here. And maybe put a little bit of lube on the wing nut here so it'll rethread it a little easier, but it worked. So I'm going to try one more, and if it continues to work, I'll make another video and see if I can't get better quality for you. Alright, hope this helps people. Take care.